Hello, this is John Award and I'm here at San Lorenzo, Guimaras at the first ever wind farm here in Western Visayas. It also serves as a tourist attraction here in the island of Guimaras, which is already home to the sweetest mangoes, probably in the whole world. So this wind farm generates 54 megawatts of power that supplies not only here where 200,000 people live, but also the electrical power needs of Iloilo province. It feels so surreal to be here. Look at those windmills. They look like alien structures. Look at that. And they're harvesting wind power. Look, there's another one and another one. Yep, looks like spaceships, don't you think? This is a Japanese-funded project, and the province's way of saying no to coal power by harvesting pure and renewable energy from the wind. Thanks to the leadership of Governor Samuel Gumarin, this is one of the largest wind farms in Southeast Asia. And so our Ilonggo word for today is HANGIN, that's wind. That's all for today in this very short video. See you next time. This is John of Art. Please like, share, and subscribe. Mwah.